Having trouble with the "An update is being prepared for your device, but it's not quite ready yet" message on Windows 11? Let's fix it together. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Click on Settings. Click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Then, click on Other Troubleshooters. Find the troubleshooter you need and click Run. Follow the on-screen instructions and click Next. Wait for the process to complete. Search for Registry Editor. In the Windows search bar, right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow changes to your device. Copy the path from the video description, paste it into the Registry Editor's address bar by pressing Ctrl+V and press Enter. Right-click on the key named 8B24B0271DE-BAB9. Click on Delete and confirm by clicking Yes. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Restart to reboot your PC. Open File Explorer. Click on This PC. Double-click on the C drive. Double-click on the SoftwareDistribution folder. Select all files in this folder and click Delete. When prompted, click Continue. Checkmark. Do this for all current items and click Skip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.